pick up a soft brush, some gray, the sky should be dry, and go ahead, apply your gray in the shape of the cloud that you want. And this is mostly dry brush technique. Little paint on the brush, if any, and just soften the bottom of the cloud just like that. Now with some white and the same brush, I'm gonna come on top and just apply some highlights to the clouds. Visit my channel for more demos and tutorials. Just like that. Pick up some white with the same brush, not a lot of paint. Just come to the top where you think the highlight is needed. Apply some highlight. Clean your brush with a rag. Just go ahead and soften that highlight and blend it with the rest of your cloud. Some believable, easy clouds and quick.